Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't think I have ever been this excited to film a video because this video is about shoes, and if you have been watching my videos and if you know me a little bit, you will know that I am crazy obsessed with shoes. I am addicted to shoes. I collect shoes. I have a lot of shoes. My shoe collection video is coming soon, by the way. I'm still in the works. I'm still actually doing just a few little things before I put it together, and you will know what I mean when I say I'm obsessed with shoes. So this is a website called purpleheight.com. I'm going to leave all the links in the description box below. They have an option of creating your own shoes. You basically go to their website. They have so many different styles and you can create and design your own shoes. I'm going to show you a demo of how I designed mine, and I'm going to show you the shoes that I designed. I'm so excited, you guys. You can actually design all sorts of shoes on their website. You can design pumps, you can design ankle boots, sandals, flats, ballet flats, heels, stilettos, wedges, whatnot. You speak and you have all of the options available. They have more than 67 different color options and textures and prints and this and that and all of that. It is just so interesting, and it is just like a girl's dream come true, because who doesn't love shoes? And getting to create your own pair of shoes at a reasonable price, I think it's just absolutely insane. This idea was, I was all over it, and as soon as I heard about it, I was like, where has this been? Why haven't people done this before? Because this is genius. Who doesn't want to design their own pair of shoes and their own pair of heels at a reasonable price, let me add. All their shoes are made in 100% genuine leather, and they customize the shoe according to your foot length and foot width, so it fits absolutely perfectly, and the customer service is really nice and really sweet as well. So I am gonna unbox my shoes, but let's be honest, I've already worn them. I mean, I worn them around the house because I was just so excited, I was just so obsessed, and as soon as the package came, I opened them and I wore them around the house. I just wanted to see what they look like. I'm so sorry, I wanted it to be an unboxing, but I just couldn't wait. I'm crazy about shoes, you guys. Me waiting to put on a pair of shoes is just not happening. So this is what the box actually looks like. It says Purple Height, and I've tried to put it together back the way it came, so you can get the authentic idea of how the shoes come when you get them. So when you take the lid off, it looks like this inside, and I love the little touch of this beautiful gift type ribbon. It looks like you've gifted yourself something. And then you get this mesh bag where you can put your shoes inside. I think it's really nice, really genius. This is how I like to store my shoes. I like to store them in transparent plastic bags or mesh bags like this, especially if they're suede, because they get really dirty. So it's always better to store your stuff in bags like this or in plastic bags. It's a really nice bag, really nice for travel as well. You can put your shoes in this and put it in your suitcase. Your shoes are ready to travel with you. So this is what it looks like. Here is the paper that says purpleheight.com, and before I show you the shoes, let me tell you that when somebody gave me an option to design my own shoes, I went crazy, and of course I designed the most outrageous pair of shoes you can ever imagine, because getting to design your own pair of shoes, I think it was just absolutely insane, and it was like an opportunity to go nuts, to make something that you would not get in any conventional shop, or something that is so unique that nobody will sell something like this. And when you design your own shoes, you can actually make them so unique to you. The shoes that I made totally reflect my style. My style is a little bit bold, out there, outrageous for some people, so I wanted to encompass that in my shoe and design something that was so bold, so out there, and so me. So if you have been watching my videos, you will know that I love the animal print, and I love gold, and I love neutrals. So I combined all of that in a shoe, and this is what I made. So here is what I designed. Look at this. Oh my god, I am dying over these pair of shoes. And since this is a block heel, it is one of the most comfortable. It's raining. Since this is a block heel, it is one of the most comfortable styles of heels available. You can run in them, you can walk in them. They're going to be very comfy. These are actually Oxfords. So I made the tip to be gold, the tip of the shoe to be gold, and I made the heel to be gold. And then I have this beautiful snakeskin pattern going all over here because I love neutrals. And then we have animal print, not to forget. I love animal print. And let me just show you a little bit of detail. Like, look at how gorgeous and detailed that actually is. This is all hair, you guys. Of course it's faux hair, but this is what it looks like. They also come with this little thing that help you put your shoes on at the back, and they also gave me an extra pair of laces to match. The laces on here are a little bit light brown, and they gave me a dark brown pair of laces as well, so I can change up the laces and I can make them darker if I want. Oh my god, you guys, I don't think you understand what this means to me and how excited I am that I got to design my own shoes. This speaks to my heart and soul, you guys, and this is just perfection. They fit absolutely amazingly, like they were made for my feet. They asked for my feet measurements, my foot length and my foot width, and it fits like it was made for my foot. You can design absolutely everything from the color of the sole to the tip, to the thing over here, to the back panel, front panel, the laces, the heel, everything. They let you design A to Z, everything that you want. I want to show you a demo to explain what this actually means, because I know me saying all of this, you may not understand how amazing it is, but I'm going to go into a demo and show you how I created these shoes. Okay, so this is what their website looks like. If you want to know how everything works, you can go to how it works, and over here they will explain everything and you can go into detail and you can see how everything works. But I'm gonna go to design your shoe, and here you can see you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 options to design your shoes. And keep in mind that you can alter the heel height, you can alter the kind of tip you want, you can alter the kind of straps you want, you can alter the color of everything, you can change such kind of shoes into heels, which is what I did, and you can of course increase the heel height. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I designed my pair of shoes. So I'm going to go to Oxfords because that is what I designed. And here you can see what the Oxfords look like. So of course I wanted them to be a heel and I wanted them to have a cap. These are plain in the front, but I went for the toe caps. You can change the front style however you want, and you can also change the back style. So here you can see I have the tip now, and here are all the heel options that you have. So you can have a block heel, you can have a stiletto heel, you can have a cone shaped heel, you can have a wedge, or you can keep it a flat. But I went for the block heel, so I'm gonna go to the block heel. Here is what it looks like with the block heel and with the tip. I wanted the heel height to be a little bit taller than this. This I think is 3 inches. I wanted it to be 4 inches, so I'm just gonna increase the heel height. Okay, so this is the layout of what my shoe looked like. So over here you have a ton of different options. You have the laces, the back panel, front panel, of course you can alter everything. So I'm gonna start with, let's start with the toe cap. I'm gonna start with the toe cap because I kept the toe cap gold and I kept the heel gold. So I'm gonna go and select the kind of material I want. As you can see, there are tons of different materials. You can just hover over one and they will show you what it looks like. So I kept the heel and the toe cap faded gold, so I'm gonna select faded gold. There, that is what that looks like. And now I'm gonna go to the heel because the heel is the same color, and that is also gonna be faded gold. So now that our heel and toe cap are done, we can move on to the main part of the shoe. I'm gonna start with the back panel. As you can see, the back panel is like a brown snakeskin kind of thing. So I'm gonna look for the material. I think it was this one. Yes, it was the exotic brown cobra imprint material. So I'm gonna select that. So the shoe is coming together. You can see it from all angles with these arrows over here. Let's move on to the front panel, and the front panel is animal print, as you can see. So we are gonna look for animal print, and again, as I said in the video, the animal print one is a hair kind of a material, so you can see that there's literally hair like material on the shoe. So I'm gonna select that. Now of course keep in mind that this is what I designed. You can choose from tons of different options. They have glitters, they have amazing, oh, I was also interested in this one, the blue-green crocodile imprint. I think that would look absolutely beautiful with gold, a gold heel and a toe cap, and this blue green thing, but I wanted the shoe to be neutral. So after that, I'm gonna move on to the inner portion, which I kept pretty minimal and pretty beige. So I'm gonna select the one that I went for. I think I went for chocolate brown if I'm not wrong. And here you can see the price, the total price of how much your shoe is gonna cost. After that, we're gonna move on to the midsole, which I think I also kept chocolate brown. And now for the sole, I kept it beige. Now coming to the laces, they have a few options over here. I went for these. These are in the shade light tan. These are the laces that I went for, as you can see. They did send me an extra pair of laces, dark brown laces. These go really well, as you can see. They actually look like this and they go really well with the shoe, but they also sent me a pair of the dark brown laces. So that is pretty much how my shoe was created and designed. Also, again, you should remember that there are tons of different materials: classic hide, suede and lustrous leather, exotic materials, glitter, hair, patent leather, and rare. So there are tons of different options for you to choose from. There's something to suit everybody, different heel styles, different heel heights, different types of shoes, peep toes, pumps, oxfords, boots, flats, whatever you want. So after everything is done and you're happy with how your shoe looks, you're gonna click continue. So now that your shoe is final, you can look at it from all directions. This is what your shoe is gonna look like. You're gonna select the size that you are. I am a size 37, and you can specify your foot length, you can specify your foot width, and they will make sure that the shoe actually fits you perfectly. And this is how much my shoe costed. So now we're on the final page, and I hope you enjoyed seeing this process of how I designed my shoe. And again, remember that you can choose so many different styles. You can choose so many different patterns, materials, styles, heel heights, this and that. There are tons of different options for everybody. So I hope you enjoyed this little demo, and I'm going to return to my video now. So I hope you saw how insane and amazing that was. Another thing that I want to add is we girls are so confused sometimes, because sometimes we have a dress and we want the exact pair of shoes to go with that, the exact color, the exact style, the exact idea that we have in mind. And there have been so many times when I've run from shop to shop trying to find the exact pair of shoes that I want, and I didn't find what I wanted, so I had to compromise a little bit. So I think this is a great website to sort that problem out, because you can create your own shoe. So you can design your own shoe, you can design what kind of heel you want, you can design what kind of color you want, you can design whatever the hell you want in the world. I think it's the absolute perfect solution for every girl who's looking for the perfect pair of shoe, who wants to expand her collection. So I think this is all I had to say. Of course, I could keep on talking about shoes forever and ever. So let me know what you guys thought of this new concept, and if you guys would love to design your own shoes, and let me know what you thought of my shoes. And if you do get your shoes, don't forget to tag me in your pictures. I would absolutely love to see the kind of shoes that you designed. It is just so amazing, and I think I should shut up now, because I can keep on talking about shoes forever and ever and ever. You give me a pair of shoes and I will write an essay on them. I should probably stop talking now. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my channel. I make videos like this about interesting new concepts. I make unboxing videos, I make beauty subscription videos, I make makeup tutorials, fashion hauls, all of that fun stuff. And if you want to follow my fashion and style, you can follow me on my social media. Everything will be mentioned on the screen and in the description box below. Don't forget to check out purplehide.com. I'm going to leave all of their links in the description box as well. And I'm going to see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.